Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min sharril waswasil khannas, alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas, minal jinnati wan nas. Say, I seek refuge from the Lord of mankind. Now this Lord, is the translation of Rabb. What is Rabb? The owner, the sustainer, the provider, the developer. All these things go to make Rabb. Allah is the Lord or Rabb of the mankind. Malikin Nas. He is the king of all mankind. Sovereign. He is to be obeyed. His laws are to be enforced. His obedience is to be accepted. Ilahin Nas. And the God of mankind. God to whom you call for help, for any deliverance from any affliction which has come to you, to whom you pray, and whosoever grants your prayers is your God. Ilah. So, Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas. These are the three attributes we may say of Allah. If you remember, these are the same which are mentioned in Surah Al-Fatiha. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Malik Yawmiddin or Malik Yawmiddin. Iyaka Na'bud, Ma'bud, Ilah. These three things. Min Sharril Waswasil Khannas, from the evil of the whisperer, who whispers in the hearts of the people and then recedes and withdraws, goes back. Min al-jinnati wan nas, whether he be from among the jinn or mankind. Now this is an attack through your own baser self, not outside. Nothing is attacking you from outside. Your own id or libido, your own baser self is activated. So now the shar is coming from within you. Although this fire is ignited by him who is whispering at you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the understanding of this Quran and the courage to resolve that we should practice it, propagate it, and establish it in the world. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen.